Sabi po ng Department of Education na isubmit na raw po sa office po ninyo yung recommendation para sa mga panukalang ibalik yung calendar, school calendar. Gawin na pong June ulit yung pasukan as soon as possible. Ano po ang tugon nyo po dito?
Well, of course, hiningi ko yan sa DepEd and I asked Inday Sara to give me already a concrete plan because mukha naman, hindi na tayo kailangan mag-antay pa. At mukha naman kailangan na. At I don't see any objections really from anyone. Especially with the El Nino being what it is. Every day, you turn on the news, F2F classes are canceled, F2F classes have been postponed, etc. So talagang kailangan na. So yes, that's part of the plan that we are trying to do to bring it back already to the old schedule. Yeah, I think it will be better for the kids.
Will this be implemented by next year na, sir?
Hopefully by next year, yes, by next year, matatapos na.